everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be roasting lemon garlic chicken, y'all. I'm feeling hungry, so let's get started. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are 1/4 cup butter or margarine softened, 1 teaspoon grated lemon peel, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 5-pound chicken, 2 large garlic minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon all purpose seasoning, and 2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. So let's get started, guys. In a small bowl, add butter, garlic, lemon peel, black pepper, leave just a small amount for the inside of the chicken, all-purpose seasoning, small amount for the inside, same for the salt, combine well. Making this all so delicious, guys. Now let's add all the remaining of the seasoning. Let's mix together. Mix well. I will now add this to the inside. Spread mixture evenly between the skin and the meat. And on the skin. I will now fold the wings like this, guys, just to get them back. Let's tuck them back like this, guys. And your oven should be preheated 350 for 15 minutes. So here's my baking pan, guys. So let's get straight to the oven. And we are going to roast for 1¼ hours, guys. Until chicken reaches to 170 in the breast and 180 in the thigh. So here we go, guys, straight to the oven. See you all later. So here we are, guys, my lovelies, checking to see what the chicken is looking like, guys. Just using the juice from the pan, guys, to base it. So I'll give it another 5 minutes, guys. So here we are, guys, beautifully done.